Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome back to the SJC channel. Thank you very much for tuning in for another video on this here camera, the SJCAM SJ9 Strike. SJCAM's new 4K action camera. And you might say, well, SJC, didn't you just release a video on this camera like yesterday?
You know, this could be a lot more complex. I mean, it's not just, it might not be just such a simple, you know?
What in God's holy name are you blathering about?
Well, I'll tell you what I'm blathering about. I've got information, man. New shit has come to light.
Okay, so if you follow my channel, you know that the sound level, the recording level of this camera leaves to be desired. And that, my friends, is an understatement. Quite an understatement. Yeah, the sound that this camera records without an external microphone is abysmal. Yeah, and I kinda thought, well, maybe there's some mechanical mistake, fault with this camera, with mine or with all of them. So I watched a couple of videos from other reviewers and I came to the conclusion that all these SJ9 cameras have the same fault. And in this video I'm gonna tell you to, first of all, not buy this camera, but basically SJCAM has beat me to it. They've already discontinued this camera, I think. If you look at the product pages at sales sites, you'll see that it's no longer available, this camera. So again, I guess they beat me to it. If you come across this camera on some sale page that still has stock or for some reason, don't buy it, right? And the second thing I'm gonna show you is how to solve that sound issue. And that's basically for people that already have this camera. Maybe it's on the way to you, maybe you already have this camera and you are disappointed by the recording level, the sound recording level. Yeah, I understand. So there is it's not a gorgeous solution, but there is a solution for it. See, the microphone of this camera is actually behind. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but there is a waterproofing door over here. And behind that door, there's the door open. Behind that door there's a USB port. And yeah, obviously that port serves to waterproof the camera. When you close it up there's even a rubber seal and that works. However, you might not be able to see it well. Maybe you will. There is a tiny hole in that compartment as well. And that's the microphone. Yeah. So with this door closed, you're basically masking off the microphone. Now I'm completely sure that SJCAM will bring a revised version of this camera to market within a few weeks. See, the rest of this camera, the optics, the video it shoots is pretty good. Well, it's actually good. So, there. So I'll just let you listen to two sound recordings with this camera. One with the door closed and one with the door open, and you'll instantly hear the difference. So here is a clip with the door closed.
Hi there, this is a short microphone test with the SJ9 Strike camera from SJCAM. And in this video I have the door of the USB port, so the protective moisture cover, I guess, the waterproofing cover. It's closed. In this video it's closed. I have the recording level set at stock. The stock setting is 8, so that's what it's at right now.
So you would be able to hear what I'm saying with headphones on, but only faintly. So yeah, basically that doesn't really work. And here is a clip with the door, this door open. Hi there, this is a short sound check with the SJ9 Strike, the latest action camera from SJCAM. And in this video I have the door, the USB port door, so the door that keeps the camera waterproof. It is now open. So I'm doing this video to compare the sound levels, right? And the recording level, so the sound recording level is set to 8, which is the stock setting. I am obviously not using an external microphone here, and the only difference from stock, is that the door on the side of the camera is now open. Yeah, so I'm recording this here video as a sound comparison and maybe as a help for people that have this camera and are dissatisfied with the recording level, which is understandable because the recording level leaves to be desired. That makes quite a difference, right? So again, if you already have this camera, and again the video this camera shoots is pretty good, there's no reason to toss this camera in the dustbin. But if you want to record some narration for some reason, then you'll have to simply open up that door, and yes, the camera will then not be waterproof anymore, but at least you'll be able to record sound. Or the second option would be to add an external microphone to this camera. That also works. I hope this video helped you out, and I will probably end up ordering the revised version of this SJCAM in the future as well. Again, I expect that to be around in a couple of weeks, 1.5 months or so. And yeah, so I'll have a review of that camera as well. Be on the lookout for that. For now, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.